Okay, got a problem with this inlet valve. You see the water spitting out, and it's slow, very slow to fill up this system. So I'm going to replace that head seat valve, they call it. I'm just going to turn the water off and take out the valve. So I disconnect here, just pop that little pivot point there and slide that arm out. Right, let's remove the cap. And here we go, there's the seal in there, that's that black rubber thing. Just got to get him out. Oops, there he is. Now you can see, totally wrecked. So I'm going to get another one, pop him in, and notice the little tab there. So let's pop him into place. Another little tab there to fit in. Beaut. Don't forget the cap. There we go. And this little fella, slide him in between the two discs there. Give it a click. Good, all sorted. Now we'll see, we'll turn her on, see what happens. Oh yeah, we're getting a lot more water flow through to the system, and it's filling up much quicker now. You can hear the water. That little float there, she's going to come up, and that'll turn the valve off. So I'll just let her down again, and it'll float up on its own. Okay, here we go, lid on. Centre that, pop that in, screw him in.